get treatment. But you refuse to bench, ituloy yung laro. Gano'ng importante para sa'yo to get this game 1 victory?
First and foremost, all glory to God sa panalo nito. And yun, we know playoffs, very tough game, but yun, kung ano lang talagang kaya namin, ibibigay namin best namin. It's part of the game, no? It's playoff time, so the physicality is there. We have to battle through it, and yun, we have to be tough every single possession.
We now start with the questions for Scotty from the press.
I can just say one question for Scotty, let him go. Whoever wants to go. You happy?
Scotty, ano ba? Concern ba yan going to game 2?
No, it's just cramping lang.
Any more questions for Scotty?
One more question for Scotty if you want it.
Scotty, sa game 2, siyempre, ayaw mag-down ng 18. How do you make sure na at least hindi kayo umabot sa ganung sitwasyon?
I think from the start of the ball game, we have to be mindful, especially on defensive end. So I think yung defense namin, yung dahilan bakit kami nakastay sa game. Yun, yun lang.
With that, we thank Scotty.
Hey, Coach.
Now ready for the questions for Coach Jeff.